Lakhain ko rapho MSC constituency ke parlu Sarihuti Bethel Baptist Church along Odisa pen aba firm private limited atum na humrisi Arnam kardom amei lapen ke karche pen hemrit kaching thurnang jamu he hui alam mesen pen kachethanchi momamai padopon Robert Tirang pen kachapempu bangso mailong jasemet Odisha long ripen ang kahumria butung CEO aba farm Reverend Dilip Kumar Sahu Finance Director Lopamudra Sahu Operation Director Reverend Samuel Swain Mr. Samart Samuel, Sarthak Samuel, Areng Kelok Alampen, Karbialam Kilardunabang, Reverend Tenson B, Manja Baptist English School Principal Atung Chitongdu. Mayalong Jasemet Odisha pen kibang abutung atumapan, Karbia Jutang Arona Tengpen, Cheng Muri Pongsia Siang Tongpen, Karnikang Tum Paduponmo. Lasopi Arnam kardom nang Jia Putak, Chethanchimum Paduponsi, Ki Karchia Sonpen, Hemrit Kachelana Mate, Kaching Thur nang Jia Mohe Hualam, Odisha pen kachetong dun aluhia tumpensi Clardak pen than mumpon. Bangso mailong kapre monduli la pen prekcham a denomination kirimatum chetong dun si kadukawe bang haro trok siarmu chetong dun.
Do atum do nakaching rum dun lake ajak bang ke healing crusade ta BG pulo penadak isi bang ke Israel ban kene resource person ke bang polam da do tame pini la corona ajone pensi Israel asor ke bang ledet polam itu bar julong lo tamene tum bang pini dak Bethel Baptist mondoli pen ke pini dak ongdung chitong pot bang ke tum ke tupama bolote aba farm tum pen ason si ke karche je phan la pen vo ke pangreng ji vo ka ke pangreng ji la son pen claim lo bolote mondoli phan dame alle doji rong atum dame ching thur ji po ke mang ben si tum so program chak dan apna so program pe jok ko unsuccess ne chini la poma de tum vision tum thek long le la vision ko kani la to target itum chini la bot dame ke cheng si ajada bosu ta me tum yong si claim ji bolote asat lang prang lang na si tum la ni kani si phan itum so si partnership claim ni ba tum ni hang lo jong si partnership yong si mesen bonding yong si tum intang rak ko tum claim don ji bon dame apot bang yong si apporting per ason ta me nang pitek te bolote de tum Bethel Baptist mondoli pen ken tum ke claim
Yeah. Okay, my name is Dilip Kumar Sahu. I am the CEO of Abba Farm Private Limited.
So we have been heard that you are coming from Odisha. So tell us your experience, the journey from Odisha to Sarihuti.
Okay, it is too long journey. We drove through our XUV. We started almost 2 days it took for us to drive on road. Maximum roads are good, but I think this road from Chokiola, it need to be changed. It is really giving us a lot of problem.
So, sir, what are the aims and objectives that you have in the Abba Farms Private Limited?
Yes, Abba Farm is actually designed to help the tribal families to grow the farming through organic farming using the Israeli technology.
Then, sir, have you ever conducted such type of a program in Caribbean long, or is this the first time?
We did it first time.
Nilimen lagi Robert Terang, lepas nili Abba Farm salong ke Assam State Coordinator sini telefon bok.
Kalau nala bangsa Abba Farms nali teman ke bang jilang long kopi pia saya deng pun ji.
Nili tum non ke bang jilang abang ke la so tribal families atum pan mate inglong aso tum pan isi tangka warsai lapuson ki piponji lake tangka warsai ki piponji mane nilitum tangka ki piji lapu gali ponta khiti ki claim anathu kangthur ponje phan atheke nilitum ke bangilang por khiti aja asona khiti pencil nilitum idukela mate inglong aso atum phan nilitum kera ponji sini tum nangpon
Chuki hola pen sonjit ko parbiang long life.